Hello kids and dear parents. Welcome to E-class of St. Joseph's Academy. Hope all are doing fine at home. This video is for class LKG, subject English, and here in this video we are going to do the revision work. So kids, let's start the revision work with rhymes. And here we are going to do the revision of two rhymes, that is chubby cheeks and butterfly. So let's begin with the rhyme chubby cheeks. Let's do it and repeat it after me. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Now, the next rhyme that we are going to do is butterfly. So let's recite it. Butterfly, oh butterfly, won't you teach me how to fly? With the birds, with the breeze, over the flowers, over the trees. Butterfly, oh butterfly, let me have one little try. Now we are going to do reading of A and I sound words. So, now let's do the reading of A sound words. The first one is bag. How we will read this with the phonic sounds? See, the sound of B is B, A is A, G is G. So, now join this B, A, G, bag. Next is lag. The sound of L is L, A is A, G is G. Now join this L, A, G, lag. Next is rag. The sound of R is R, A is A, G is G. Now after joining, we'll read like this: R, A, G, rag. Next is tag. Sound of T is T, A is A, G is G, T, A, G, tag. The last one, wag. The sound of W is wa, A is A, G is G, wa, A, G, wag, wa, A, G, wag. So children, let's do the reading of I sound words, and we will read the words with phonic sounds. So the first one is bin. And how we will read this with the phonic sounds? Let's see. The sound of B is B, I is E, and N is N. So, B, E, N, bin. Next is fin. The sound of F is F, I is E, and N is N. So, F, E, N, fin. Third one, it is kin. The sound of K is K, I is E, and N is N. K, E, N, kin. Next, the sound of P is P, I is E, and N is N. P, E, N, pin. This is sin. The sound of S is S, I is E, and N is N. S, E, N, sin. Next, the sound of T is T, I is E, and N is N. T, E, N, tin. Next, win. The sound of W is W, I is E, N is N. W, E, N, win. W, E, N, win. So kids, in this video we are going to do the revision work. So this is matching. This topic is already done in previous videos. This is just the revision of that. So as you know, you have to put the date on the top left corner before doing this work. So this is matching, and you have to match the pictures with the correct word. As you can see here, the first picture is cat, and for that you need to find out the word cat on the right hand side. So we'll start the reading. First word is P, E, N, pin. This is not the word for the picture cat. So we'll move on to the next one. The next is K, A, T, cat. So we got the correct word for this picture. So let's match it. K, A, T, cat. Next is the picture of a pin. This is pin. So let's find out the word. So next picture is pin. So let's find out the word pin. Here is the word pin. P, E, N, pin. So let's match it. Match the picture with the correct word. Next is the picture of a lip. So let's find out the word lip. These two are already done. Let's begin from here. B, A, G, bag. lid, lip. So this is the correct word for this picture. Let's match it. Next is the picture of a rat. So these two words we already read. B at a bag, l at a lid, r at a rat. So here is the word for this picture. Let's match it. R at a rat. Next is the picture of a bag. So let's find out the word bag. So this is done. Here is the word bag. B-A-G, bag. Match the picture with the correct word. Next is lid. L-I-D, lid. So we can find here lid is written L-I-D, lid. So match lid, picture lid with the word lid. Next is bib. So we'll start from here because all these are done. Let's read this. B at a bat, P an a pan, bib. Match this picture with the correct word. Next is bin. B in a bin. So here is the word bin at the end. You can see B in a bin. Next is the picture of a bat. So these two are remaining. Let's read that. B at a bat. We got the word. So we'll match the picture with the correct word. And the last one is P and a pan. And here is the picture for this word. Pan. So this is done. Matching. So our next topic is circle the correct word. This is also a revision work. So write the date on the top left corner, and the first number is the picture of a mat. So in front of picture mat I have written two words. Out of these two you have to find out the correct word and circle it. So let's read the words. Mat, zip. So this is wrong. This one is right. So we will circle it. Mat. Next is 6. So let's read the word written in front of it. B at a bat, six. So this is the word. We'll circle it. Next is hat. Let's read out the word. L-I-D, lid, h at a hat. So this is the correct word and we have to circle it. Next is nib. Let's read out the words again. N-I-B, nib. We got the word here only. So let's circle it. This is nib. Next is fan. Now fan. We already got the correct word, so we'll not go to the next one. We'll circle this one here only. Next is lid. L-I-D, lid. Read out the words. P-I-N, pin. This is incorrect. We'll go to the next word. L-I-D, lid. So we will circle lid. Next is the picture of a zip. So z, e, p, zip. We got the word. We will circle it. Next is lip. The picture of a lip. Mat. This is incorrect. So we will go to the next word. Lip. So here is the word. We will circle it. Next is bin. Bin. This is the correct spelling or the correct word. So we will circle it. The last one is pin. Read out the words. Nip. This is not right. We'll go to the next word. Pin. So we got the correct one. Let's circle it. So we are done with this topic also. Circle the correct word. Now we have to match the phonic sounds. Okay. So the first letter is K. Letter K. We'll match this letter with its correct phonic sounds. This is also a revision work. So for letter K, just find out the correct phonic sound of letter K. The first one is G. Second is K. So K, 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 K. Let's match it. Next is the letter G. For G, the correct phonic sound is G. G, G. So let's match it. G. Next is letter Y. So letter Y. For letter Y, the correct phonic sound will be Y. Let's find out where Y is written. Here it is. This is Y. So let's match it. Y with its phonic sound Y. Next is letter Q. For Q, the phonic sound is Q. Ada K and V, Q. So here it is written Q. Let's match it. Next is letter E. For E, the sound is A. So here it is written A. So let's match it with its phonic sound. Next is J. So the correct phonic sound will be J. J, 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 J. Here we can see J is written. So we will match it with the correct phonic sound. Next is letter P. Can you see here? P. So the phonic sound of P is P. So we can see P is P, P. Next is T. For T, the phonic sound is T. And it is written here T. So let's match it. T. Next is W. And for this, the correct phonic sound is Va. So here it is written. So let's match it. Va. Next, the last one is F. The correct phonic sound is F. 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 So let's match it. So we are done with this topic also. So kids, you have to do the practice of all these things. So kids, practice and study well. Thank you.